Guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own labels. I know this is a very big question that a lot of people say. What do you use for labels? What are you using? Why I don't want to spend a lot of money on labels, so on and so forth. There are lots of different great options out there. Popsicle sticks is a good one a lot of people like to use. Some people do like to go buy their own labels. Some people use toothpicks and paint them different colors. Any number of things will do. Some people write a chart out on a piece of paper and just color code different things or plant it and keep that chart laminated. Some people laminate their own labels and put them in their garden. All of these are great options for you, but I'm going to show you guys a very inexpensive way to reuse, recycle, and what I like to do with my labels. So this here is actually an empty fish container. So as you can see, if you're looking on the inside, it is pure white on the inside, perfect for what we need it for. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I like to do. You can do this with any number of containers. It's perfectly safe for your garden. That plastic is not going to break down, so you can use it year after year if you want with a permanent marker. And another great container for this is yogurt containers. That really I find to be about the perfect size for a yogurt container because it's about that big and it's like the perfect size for a label. Now this one, I'm hoping to get 2 if not 3 different labels out of just this one, and I can cut a couple of different strips, or maybe I want longer labels for some of my taller plants that I want to be able to see. So this is an option of just being able to reuse, recycle. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors, cut straight down the middle of this one here, and now I've got, boom, just a simple cut. Now it's a matter of, if you wanted to, you could easily take a marker and just mark off the different strips if you wanted them created equal. I'm not that picky, believe it or not, guys, so I'm just going to literally take and cut the next piece, cut it all the way down. And there's still a little bit of food left in there. I'm going to dump it out on the lid here. Try not to make a mess that I have to clean up later. And the reason I didn't necessarily rinse it out is because, one, I was trying to do this quickly. 2, because honestly there's nothing wrong with this fish food getting into my garden because it will break down and be nutrients, basically degradable nutrients. What's in fish food can easily feed the soil in the garden, so it's okay if it breaks down. It can cause nitrates and be broken down. Worms will break it down, whatever. So I'm just cutting this into strips here, and as you can see, and now I have a bunch of different strips. I just take and cut along the bottom here. There you have it. I have a strip that I can easily use. I can write right on this part exactly what my plant is that I've planted there. But what I'm going to do is cut these in half, and now I have 2. So there you have it, guys. That's how a quick, easy way of making your own labels. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this up here. So I have some extra labels because I am going to start another round of seeds here pretty soon. I'm going to start some pepper seeds, some carrot seeds, some pumpkin seeds that I want to get going. So hopefully by October I have some pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns we can carve up. So I'm going to go ahead and get these labels done so that my next round of seeds will have labels, and that's all there is to it, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content to come. And why don't you guys comment below what kind of labels you guys are using and what you found to be successful. Are you guys using your own labels? What containers are you using? Have you found these things to work out well for you? And let me know. So as always, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe out there and enjoying your gardens.